Hey everybody, Jason here. Welcome to my channel focused on learning how to tie knots. In this video, we're going to learn how to tie the heaving line knot. Now the heaving line knot is a relatively easy knot to tie, yet I've categorized it in with the intermediate knots. And you can find this knot and others in my video, 9 knots you should know. I'll add a link in the description and at the end of this video to that video. So for now, let's head into the work table and take a look at how to tie the heaving line knot. Okay, so let's have a look at the heaving line knot. The heaving line knot is mainly used for adding weight to the end of a rope to make the rope easier to throw. In nautical use, when a rigger or seaman needed to cast a rope to a nearby dock or other vessel, they would tie a knot to add weight to the end of the line to make its flight easier. The heaving line knot in its simplest is a stopper knot, and so it can also be used when a stopper knot is required. And it's often seen as a decorative stopper knot in rope or paracord jewelry. Of course, the mass of the rope doesn't change. However, by tying a heaving line knot, you add more weight to the very end of your rope, providing more substance to be thrown. Of equal benefit is to the person catching the heaving line, because now the rope has a substantial stopper knot to receive. Let's have a look at how to tie the heaving line knot. Start by creating a bight of rope and have plenty of excess line in your working end. From there, cross your line to create a loop. Pinch down on the point where the lines cross and then begin to wrap your working end around your loop. Once you near the end, simply pass your working end through what remains of the loop and then pull on the standing part to tighten the bight down on your working end. From there, you can snug it up. Let's now have another look at how to tie the heaving line knot. As you can see with tying the heaving line knot, it's a very easy knot to tie. However, the main point that you should keep in mind is that you'll require a substantial amount of working line to create your wraps. Alright, so there you have it, the heaving line knot. Now, as promised, here's a link to the 9 knots you should know. And if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and you can help me build the channel simply by subscribing. Okay? Thanks for watching.